One of our roles within Tech Cymru is to support clinicians and patients to use video consultation in various healthcare settings. At every stage, we've collected information and feedback. That research has meant we've been able to quash assumptions and myths about who does and doesn't use VC. We now know so much more about how it works, how to keep people safe, and how to make the consultations as effective as possible. But some things are hard to put into words or a tick box, and they don't really make sense as a statistic. So we asked people to share an image to represent how using VC has made them feel over the last year. And this is what people shared.